Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to print in OneNote so you can easily get your notes and pages onto paper. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open OneNote on your computer and go to the page or notebook you want to print. This ensures only the correct content is selected before printing. Step 2. Click on the File option in the top left corner. This menu contains important actions like saving, sharing, and printing your notes. Step 3. Click on Print from the left side menu. This opens the print settings where you can choose how your notes will be printed. Step 4. Select your printer from the list. This is important to make sure the document is sent to the correct printer connected to your system. Step 5. Choose your print settings such as page range, orientation, or number of copies. These options help customize the printout to your needs. Step 6. Click the Print button to start printing. OneNote will now send your notes to the printer and create a physical copy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.